Really though. Really though. Back in the backyard again by the shed. Before a good reason. Really though. Really though. My shed. All the stuff just come out my shed. Yard tools, car parts, power washers, vacuums, tires, air pump, toolboxes, motor blocks, motor stands, hoods, everything. Trying to clean my shed out for what? You see it. My 1984 illegal Regal. See if I can get out this sunlight. There we go. A car I have been wanting. Needs a little work. Overall, nice car. Haven't decided what color I'm going to paint. Not going to do anything to it till next year. So it's going in the shed. Well, can you start it up? Calling my boo to start it up for me so you guys can hear it.
One time for the one time.
Y'all hear it running? So stay tuned in. Subscribe, like, share.